Hi guys, let's differentiate these fractions today. Okay, so we know that when y is equals to x to the power of n, dy over dx will be equals to nx n minus 1, and we'll have to use this formula today, right? So when we have y is equals to 1 over x to the power of 5, we can write this as x to the power of minus 5, right, using exponent's law. So now the question becomes y is equals to x to the power of minus 5, right? So using the differentiation rules, dy over dx will be equals to minus 5x to the power of minus 5 minus 1. So that will be minus 5x to the power of minus 6, or we can write it as minus 5 over x to the power of 6, just to make the power positive, right? The next one again is equals to y is equals to 8 over 3x, and x is in the denominator. Now when we bring x to the numerator, we only bring the x, we do not bring 3, right? We only bring x, just keep that in mind. So now we'll make it 8 over 3 and then x to the power of minus 1 in the numerator, right? Very common mistake, students bring 3 in the numerator as well. So now when we differentiate this, it will become 8 over 3 times minus 1 x to the power of minus 1 minus 1. So that will become minus 8 over 3 x to the power of minus 2, and that can be written as minus 8 over 3 x square. Okay, make the powers positive. Next one is a simple one because x power is already negative 5, so we'll just solve that. So y is equals to x to the power of minus 5 over 2 plus 3x square. So here dy over dx will be equals to minus 5 x to the power of minus 5 minus 1 over 2 plus, now here 3 times 2 will be 6x to the power of minus 2 minus 1. That gives us minus 5 x to the power of minus 6 over 2 plus 6x, right? That's your answer. If you want, you can make the powers positive, and that will be minus 5 over 2x to the power of 6 plus 6x, right? Great. Last question now. Now that's a good question. We'll do y is equals to, let's zoom it further because we might have to write a few extra things. Now we will have to split the fraction into 2, so that will be 7x squared over x squared plus 3x over x squared. All right, so we have split the denominator into 2. Now the new question becomes 7. It's x to the power of 4 in the denominator, not 2. So now it becomes 7 x to the power of 2 and minus 4, because when we divide according to exponent's law, the powers are subtracted, plus 3, and here you have 1 minus 4. So your question becomes 7x to the power of minus 2 plus 3x to the power of minus 3, right? And now we will differentiate. So we will have dy over dx is equals to 7 times minus 2 is minus 14 x, and then minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, plus 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. So we can straight away write it as minus 9 minus 9x, and minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, right? Now if we make the powers positive, it's going to be minus 14 over x to the power of 3 minus 9 over x to the power of 4. Great. Have a good day.